Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll talk about the latest launch from The Body Shop. The Body Shop has launched its first CBD-based skincare range. CBD is the latest buzz ingredient in the naturals and wellness world. There are 3 products: Replenishing Moisture Cream, Restoring Face Oil, and Soothing Oil-Balm Cleansing Mask. The products are vegan certified and suitable for all skin types. Those who are new to my channel, hi, I am Shomi. Welcome to my channel. Please consider to subscribe Aishimon by Sparkle. I know there are viewers who are Body Shop fans like me, so I thought I should come and give the news of this latest launch. I will give the details in short and crisp, so please stay along with me till the end. Now, what is CBD? CBD is short for cannabidiol. Cannabidiol is a chemical in the cannabis sativa plant, also known as marijuana or hemp. I'll come into more details at the end. So the first one I'll go through is CBD Soothing Oil Balm Cleansing Mask. What they are saying: we created our CBD Soothing Oil Balm Cleansing Mask to help purify your skin. It's an indulgent gel to milk texture. This cleansing mask soothes skin from dryness, discomfort, and removes impurities without leaving it feeling dry. Enriched with a blend of naturally derived CBD, hemp seed oil, and squalane. Enriched with natural origin CBD and hemp seed oil, plant-derived squalane, olive oil, and white clay. It's vegan, 99% ingredients of natural origin, and suitable for all skin types. The size is 100 ml. The texture will be like this.
I think the texture is quite similar to Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Cleansing Oil in Gel. I have already reviewed this product. To get more details, please check out the video here.
Next is CBD Replenishing Moisture Cream. Size is 50 ml in their conventional glass jar. What they are saying: rich but fast absorbing, our CBD Replenishing Moisture Cream helps to restore your skin's moisture levels. A day cream with an indulgent texture and velvety feel. It's enriched with a blend of naturally derived CBD, hemp seed oil, and squalane. It instantly soothes dry areas of the skin and leaves it with a lasting soft feel. Skin looks more luminous and is left feeling less stressed. So they have defined what is stressed skin. We classify stressed skin as skin that experiences discomfort from dehydration, dryness, loss of luminosity, and decline on skin's overall appearance. Enriched with natural origin CBD and hemp seed oil, with squalane and patchouli extract, vegan, 97% ingredients of natural origin. It's suitable for all skin types. Last one is CBD Restoring Facial Oil. This is in 30 ml dropper glass bottle. From their website, what they are saying: our CBD Restoring Facial Oil helps restore dehydrated, stressed skin, enriched with a blend of naturally derived CBD and hemp seed oil. The lightweight, non-greasy formula helps to restore your skin's moisture levels and relieve the discomfort of dehydrated skin. Skin feeling soothes with an improved texture that feels smoother to the touch. Enriched with natural origin CBD and hemp seed oil with squalane and patchouli extract, non-greasy formula, vegan, 99.9% ingredients of natural origin, suitable for all skin types. I think this range is for seriously dehydrated and dry skin people. Now there is a click. This range is yet to launch in India. It's launched in Europe. I'll try to review the products as they will be available to Indian market. But there is a similar range in India, that is hemp range. Now there is a slight difference between hemp and CBD. See, I am not any master in this. I am just trying to gather information for a better understanding. Hemp seed oil and CBD oil both derived from the cannabis plant. CBD oil comes from the flowers, leaves, and stems, while Hemp seed oil uses extract from the seeds of the cannabis plant. Let's see what all are there. They are hemp hardworking hand scrub, hemp hydrating and protecting shower oil, hemp overnight nourishing rescue mask, hemp heavy duty lip care and hemp hand protector. These are all products available in India. So that's all as of now. To get more updates like this, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.